Hello everyone. Today we return to the channel with a video about the production process of the all-new Mini Cooper model. As with other factories, the process still requires rolled steel sheets to be fed into a stamping machine, where they are pressed into flat shapes for various body parts. The press is computer-controlled with high precision to ensure consistency and quality of parts. The companies will surpass each other in terms of production, technology and manufacturing materials, precision and the ability to produce fuel savings as well as environmental protection. The Leipzig factory has 10 stamping machines, including hydraulic presses and electric presses. Hydraulic presses have a stamping force of up to 10,000 tons, while electric presses have a stamping force of up to 2,000 tons. Laser cutting machines can cut metal with an accuracy of up to 0.01 millimeters. Water cutting machines can cut metal with an accuracy of up to 0.005 millimeters. Welding robots can weld metal at speeds of up to 100 welds per minute. You can see that in this complete assembly video, most of the parts are assembled automatically by robots. After the panoramic sunroof is assembled, the engineers begin to prepare the necessary components. Important tasks that robots cannot do, such as gluing soundproofing pads, assembling power lines, jacks, small details that require meticulousness. Then this chassis will be transferred to the production line. Next, here, the large interior part will be assembled first by the robot arms. Then other parts such as the logo, taps and seats will be completed by engineers, mostly moving the parts. Large parts use specialized tools to help move, so assembly is very easy. Interior assembly is often highly customized, allowing for different upholstery options, color schemes, and trim packages. The BMW Group invested €500 million in Leipzig to increase production volume for new models. Extensive additions and upgrades were made to the body shop, paint shop, assembly, and logistics. Production capacity increased from 250,000 units to 350,000 units a year. Initial production of approximately 100 MINI Countryman cars a day, with plans to increase to 500 cars per day in the following year. Investments of around €200 million to adapt the production system to Mini-specific requirements. The production lines would secure existing jobs and create up to 900 new jobs in vehicle production alone. The rear seats of the MINI Countryman 2024 can slide up-down about 130 millimeters. The back of the chair can recline 12 degrees with 6 positions. When the rear seats are not folded down, the luggage compartment will have a capacity of 460 liters. The corresponding number when the rear seat is folded down is 1,450 liters. Meanwhile, the classic trim version uses a 3-spoke steering wheel instead of 2-spoke and 2-color synthetic leather seats, black and blue. The favored trim version comes with a dark blue and brown dashboard and door taps, and Vecchine synthetic leather sports seats with light or dark color accents. As for the JCW version, it has black leather sports seats with red stitching, similar to the dashboard and door taps. Notable amenities of this British car model include a 9.4-inch OLED touchscreen in the middle of the dashboard, using the MINI Operating System 9 operating system, supporting voice control via computer. Smart virtual assistant function with the command, "Hey Mini." Furthermore, the 2024 MINI Countryman also has 4 equipment versions: Essential Trim, Classic Trim, Favored Trim and John Cooper Works, JCW. The Essential Trim version makes a difference with vibrant silver exterior details and felt-covered sports seats. The engine, transmission and suspension are assembled as a complete unit in a dedicated area before being transferred to the main assembly area. This includes the precise process of lifting the drive system, controlled by a computer program to ensure precision and uniformity during assembly. Once at the inspection area, engineers perform technical checks and tighten bolts. This not only ensures safety but also ensures that every technical detail is properly set to meet high-quality requirements. Next, interior assembly begins. which includes attaching parts such as the steering wheel and dashboard. The instrument panel has been pre-installed, housing the instrument panel, entertainment system and air conditioning controls, and has been carefully placed in its place for precision and aesthetics. The wiring and electrical connections are meticulously integrated, requiring high precision and technique. This not only ensures precise connections between components, but also shapes the seamless operation and optimal performance of the entire drive system. The outer front and rear bumpers of the Mini Cooper are crafted from precision-engineered plastic components. The manufacturing process entails the initial pre-molding of these bumpers, followed by the meticulous handling by robotic arms, transporting them to a designated high-temperature zone beneath controlled flames. This thermal treatment imparts an internal heat profile, enhancing the structural characteristics of the bumpers. Subsequently, they are conveyed into the automated paint system. Strategically organized based on the specific location and version of the Mini Cooper, the pre-molded bumpers undergo meticulous pre-assembly of crucial components, streamlining the overall production process. Upon completion of pre-assembly, the bumpers are seamlessly integrated into the production line, nearing the culmination of the manufacturing process. Here, in close proximity to the termination of the assembly line, engineers deftly finalize the assembly, ensuring precision and efficiency. Notably, the attachment of wheels frequently constitutes the concluding phase of the production line, just preceding the comprehensive inspection phase. MINI has launched the third generation of the Countryman car line with both internal combustion engine and pure electric versions. Among them, MINI Countryman E and SE are two pure electric versions. The remaining three versions, Countryman C, Countryman S All-4 and Countryman JCWALL4, will use internal combustion engines. The power source for the MINI Countryman E 2024 is an electric motor located on the front axle, with 201 horsepower and 250 Nm. Thanks to that, the car can accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 8.6 seconds and reach a maximum speed of 170 km/h. With a battery pack with a capacity of 66.45 kWh, the MINI Countryman E 2024 can run a distance of 462 kilometers. Compared to the Countryman E, the MINI Countryman SE 2024 is more powerful with two electric motors located on two axles, generating a total capacity of 308 horsepower and maximum torque of 494 Nm. This power allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 5.6 seconds and reach a maximum speed of 180 km/h. The Countryman C's battery cluster also has a capacity of 66.45 kWh, but the car only has a travel distance of 433 km. Both pure electric versions of this model support 22 kW AC slow charging or 130 km DC fast charging. Charging time from 10 to 80% with fast charging is less than 30 minutes. With MINI Countryman C 2024, the heart will be a powerful engine of 170 horsepower and 280 Nm. The engine allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in 8.3 seconds and reach a maximum speed of 211 km/h. Next is the MINI Countryman S All-4 with an engine with a maximum capacity of 218 horsepower and maximum torque of 360 Nm. The car's acceleration time from 0 to 100 km/h is 7.1 seconds while the maximum speed reaches 227 km/h. The most powerful is the MINI Countryman JCWALL4 with a maximum capacity of 300 horsepower and maximum torque of 400 Nm. Acceleration time from 0 to 100 km/h is reduced to 5.4 seconds and maximum speed is increased to 248 km/h.